Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to talk about the buy one take one sale or buy one get one sale happening at the Nike outlet store at Riverbanks. We'll check out all the amazing sneakers, all the great steal deals that you can pick up, and make sure that you watch until the very end because I have a surprise announcement for all of you. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we do constant giveaways on this channel. In fact, we're going to draw the winners of our November 15 giveaways in just a few days from now. We're giving away smartphones, we're giving away sneakers, we're giving away bags. All of those will be drawn on November 15. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, you join our Facebook community, and then you click the links down below for the mechanics of the respective giveaways. Good luck. So we dropped by the Nike outlet store over at Marikina Riverbanks because of their buy one get one sale. So if you go inside the shop, on the far right corner, there's actually a bunch of shelves with green stickers on the boxes, and all of those sneakers are buy one get one. So you basically get the SRP of one shoe, and then you pay for the higher amount of the shoe of either shoes that you're getting. So for example, if you pick up a Jordan 1 for 9,000 and you pick up like a Flyknit for 7,000, you'll pay for the 9,000 but you get both sneakers. So that's the mechanic that they have for the buy one get one. So what I'll do now is I'll go over some of the sneakers that you guys might find interesting that I saw sitting on shelves at Marikina Riverbanks, again at the Nike outlet. So first up, we have the Nike Air Max 270 Bowfin in a red, yellow, and black colorway. So it reminds me a lot of Iron Man. So to all of you there who are Tony Stark fans, this is the pair that you guys might want to check out. There are also a bunch of other colorways of the Air Max 270 Bowfin. So I think there was like a blue, red, brown one as well as the triple black one. So if you are looking for a pair that's water resistant, weather resistant, durable, rugged, this is the pair for you. So I actually saw somebody buy two pairs, one for himself and then one for his kid, and he just paid for one, again because it's buy one get one. Now apart from that, we also have the Jordan 5 Laney. This is in blue and in yellow, and it sells for 9,895. So if you actually pick up two pairs, just because it's buy one get one, it kind of comes out to like 50% off per pair. You're actually just paying 4,900 for each shoe. And we also have the Air Force One Mid. So this is the mid cut with the higher collar around your ankles. Sells for 8,995. I almost bought it because number one, it's an Air Force One. Number two, it's brown, which is my favorite color when it comes to sneakers. So they sell for 8,995. So definitely a bit pricey, especially for an Air Force One. But hey, if you're a fan, if you're looking for boots, then this is probably the pair that you might want to pick up. Here in the Philippines though, I don't think people wear boots often, but if you need boots and you're going outside of the country the holiday season, now would be a great time to pick one up. Now we also have the Jordan Proto React. It's one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can pick up. The midsole is made from React technology of Nike. The upper is some sort of like soft, weather-resistant material. It comes in multiple colorways. We saw one in red, we saw one in that bright Vault colorway, and we saw one in black. The SRP, 7,645 pesos. There were also a bunch of running sneakers. So if you want to buy like running shoes for your entire family, now would be a great time to do so. We saw different colorways of the Nike Epic React, the first generation. One colorway that really stood out was the Vault colorway, selling for a little over 7,500 pesos. The lower end model, which is the Odyssey React, multiple colorways as well, were selling for SRP, which is at 6,700. So again, if you do the math very quickly, if you buy like a buy one get one of the Epic React Flyknit, you kind of get away with like paying for just half the price of each pair. So you're just paying a little over 3,500 for an Epic React Flyknit. Not bad considering the technology and the use that you can get out of that shoe. Now apart from the running React sneakers, there is really a ton of Vapormaxes at the Nike outlet shop. So if you are a fan of the Vapormax silhouette, this is the shop to go to because they have almost all of the different models from the 2019 to the Flyknit 2 to the Premium. All of them in different colorways are sitting on shelves. And we'll go through some of them right now for you. So first, we have this Vapormax 2019 with a white upper, an orange air front, air bubble, the air bubble then becomes green towards the back, and it has black laces and accents. We also have the Vapormax 2019 in gold and in some sort of like dark metal colorway. We also have another Vapormax 2019 with the black upper, gold accents, and as well as a golden air bubble for the midsole. I kind of feel bad because when I first bought the Vapormax, I paid full price for it, and now seeing them at 50% off or buy one get one is just kind of annoying. Kind of feel that, oh, I could have just waited and I could have just bought it when the prices were down, which is today. Now, there were still a bunch more of others. There's the Vapormax 2019 with the white upper, gray accents, and then a metallic olive air bubble for the midsole. And we also had different Vapormax Flyknits in the latest generation. One had the gray upper, a green air bubble, and then a black outsole. We had a multicolor darker shade with a red swoosh. We had a Flyknit multicolor that's dominantly white with a yellow swoosh as well. So again, there are a variety of Vapormaxes that you can pick up sitting on shelves. Now, most of the Vapormaxes sell from 9,000 to 10,000. So you can actually get two pairs, which because it's buy one, get one, for a little over 4,800 or 4,900 pesos per pair. So that's the thing. So if you're going to buy multiple shoes, now would be, again, I keep saying it, but it's really the truth. Now would be one of the better times to pick one up. Now, those are just some of the sneakers that were on the buy one, get one promo. There still are sneakers being sold at relatively good prices. The discounts range from 25 to 30%. So what I'll do now is I'll talk to you about some of my picks, not part of the buy one, get one, just regular sneakers with sale prices. So the first sneaker that really caught my attention is one of the best, most comfortable sneaker that you can pick up from Nike this year. Of course, I'm talking about the Nike Presto React. I'm a huge fan of the silhouette. I've done multiple reviews about it, have nothing but high praises for the shoe. And it comes in the blue and white colorway, and it is now in the outlet. So it usually sells for 6,295 pesos, but you can pick one up now for 4,721 pesos. Not a bad deal. Again, guys, one of the best lifestyle sneakers that Nike has to offer. And speaking of lifestyle shoes, we also have the Element React 55 in multiple colorways. We have one in blue, we have one in black, we have one in white, and they sell usually for 6,745 pesos, but now they are just selling for 5,050 because of the discount. We also have a bunch of Air Maxes, and we'll kick things off with an Air Max 97 in royal blue with Air Max written across the tongue. And this one usually sells for 8,995. You can get it today for 6,746. Now, I was actually thinking of getting this one, especially since they had it in my size, but I kind of feel that 6,746 will go down in the next few weeks. Hopefully, we get like a Christmas sale in the outlets and we can see like a 50% on that one. That would be a steal at that price. Now, we also have the newly released Air Max 200 already sitting in outlets. The Air Max 200 in brown, black, and red usually retails for 6,295. It is now down to just 4,721 pesos. Not a bad deal for a very comfortable, chunky shoe. We also have the Air Max 720. So this is Big Air, or the giant air bubble sneaker. Usually goes for 8,995. It's now selling for just 6,700 in a white upper teal air bubble colorway. We also have the Nike Zoom. I don't know the exact name of this one. I just wrote down Nike Zoom, but it was in a white and red colorway, had some sort of yellow badge at the back of the heel. Usually sells for 8,995. It's now selling for just 5,397 pesos. And of course, no outlet would be a Nike outlet if it didn't have the Epic React Flyknit 2 in multiple colors. And that's what we have here. A variety of colors for the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2, from red to purple to black. Usual price is 7,600. With the discount, it's now down to just 5,733 pesos. And two more sneakers that caught my attention. We also have the Foamposite in a darker color, some sort of like cloth upper, not the hard material that you usually see with it. Sells for 11,299 regularly, now down to just 8,477. And we also have the M2K Techno, which is like their budget chunky shoe. Sells usually for 4,995. Sells now for just 3,746 pesos. So those are some of the sneakers that caught my attention. There's still a lot more, but I just wanted to highlight those, and I'm sure you guys will find even more if you decide to go there. Now, again, the buy one, get one, I'm not pretty sure how long it will last. But if ever you have nothing to do this weekend, I am going to upload this on a Saturday evening. So if you have no plans on Sunday, might be a great opportunity to make the most out of it by going to Riverbanks and dropping by the Nike outlet. Now, I will be doing another vlog on the Adidas outlet store, which is right across the Nike outlet. So watch out for that. That should be dropping in a few days' time. Maybe on Monday, maybe on Sunday. I'm not sure yet, but watch out for that video. I'll link it down below once it's already up. And now for the fun part, I actually have another surprise giveaway to do with this video. You remember the Vapormax Plus in triple white? I think it was size 9 or size 10 that I bought in a recent video. I challenged you guys to get the video up to 5,000 likes. Kind of fell short, but since we're feeling generous, we'll raffle it away. I will still raffle it anyway. So what do you guys have to do? Number 1, you just have to subscribe to the channel. Number 2, you have to like this video. That's the thumbs up icon that you see down below. And then you have to share this video on Facebook. And lastly, just comment down below on what sneaker you love the most that I showed today. Include your IG handle, include your size, and I will be picking the winner on November 30. So that's the end of the month. We'll be giving away a Nike Vapormax Plus in triple white. For our power-up words of wisdom of the day, we have the one and only tax whiz of the Philippines, Mr. Mon Abrea. Ulitin natin yun. For our power-up words of wisdom of the day, we have the one and only tax whiz of the Philippines, Mr. Mon Abrea. So welcome to the vlog, Mon.
Welcome to me. Thank you.
So Mon, so siguro I just wanted to ask you, a lot of people, of course, they don't know anything about their taxes. In fact, they pay without them knowing they're actually paying for it. So if there's one thing that you would want to tell the people watching this video, most of them are young, so most of them are probably millennials, if not feeling millennials, or millennials at heart, millennials. What kind of advice would you want to give them with regards to their taxes?
Well, if you just try to exert a little effort and get to know about your taxes, you'll be saving millions. So rather than
millions, guys, millions.
Rather than being problematic about how much BIR will assess you or penalties you have to pay, I guess it's important that we spend a little time knowing it. And of course, we can expect BIR to be animated and entertaining, but at least we do our part so that we will be able to get that benefit.
Okay, so guys, make sure that you save on your millions.
Yes.
And prepare and exert that effort today. I heard you had a book on taxes.
Yeah.
Where can they find it? What's the title?
US Visit. What to do when tax attacks. Actually, it's available in all national bookstores, in Lazada, Shopee, and even in our social media accounts.
Oh guys, kung tinatamad kayong pumunta sa mall para bumili, you can just order it from Lazada and Shopee. By the way, 11/11 sale coming soon. Dapat bigyan mo sila ng discount.
Yeah, I think Lazada will already be there.
So now is the best time to pick one up. Mon, thank you.
Salamat.
Guys, check him out. I'll put a link down below to his Instagram account. And i-announce ko na, kahit di pa niya ginagawa, di pa siya sure, gagawa siya ng YouTube channel.
Yes.
Abangan nyo na lang.
Thank you.